I was awakened this morning by my wonderful landlord's relative. Thank you very much.
Well, yeah, it looked like it. I mean,
yeah, if it goes into the tailpipe,
well, that's what I thought.
then it can ruin the engine.
Because I remember
it happened.
My sister got her car totaled when she lived on Shirley Street.
Yeah.
During a nor'easter or something.
There was one night I was dispatching in Chelsea, and you know, on Route 16 in Chelsea where that Stop and Shop is,
yeah.
That road that runs alongside of it, Vine Street, dips way down. Yeah. And one night, 3 cabs went in there.
No kidding.
And one of them didn't get out in time. Or he tried to go all the way through it instead of backing back out.
Yeah.
And just blew the engine.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So.
Yeah. Not good. And then my poor sister, the insurance didn't pay for the total cost of the car, so she had no car.
And had to make payments. Yeah, insurance companies are great like that.
Yeah, you pay for all that protection, and then when you need it,
they don't need you.
Exactly.
Yeah, there was a water main break, apparently. They must have slowed the brake because when I woke up 5 minutes ago, I should have thought to grab the camera. It was literally a rush of water coming down the driveway. That's my landlord's brother. Thankfully he banged on the door, telling me to go move the car. We're hoping this isn't sewage. I already did walk through it once, so as you can see, right over here is where we usually park the car. I think it was about 3 inches from the tailpipe when I went and moved it. Oddly enough, I don't want to walk through this again. There's my car out there by the fire truck. It seems to all be slowing down towards the marsh right now. I hope no one's got a basement down here. Although I doubt it, right? I always wanted a house on the water. As you can see, the whole neighborhood's out. This is a big event here in Winthrop. With the fire department. This guy's fucking ready. He's got his boat. He's gonna float it right out to the Atlantic in a few minutes. And this is, I don't know. I'll try to get some better photos out here. Yeah, it's crazy, huh? Oh, the current's taking me. Here I come. If the people at Fox News see this, I apologize for swearing. You're all ready to go. He's got the life jacket, that's great. Is it water or is it sewage? Water. Oh, thank God. Yeah.
Sewage eventually becomes water.
It just broke underground, they said, or?
Yeah, it's up on way up in the corner. That's just flowing
Yeah.
When they have little filters, they turn the side of the filter.